We are going to talk about the products I have purchased from Nykaa, the recent Pink Love sale. So I also got a lot of gifts in this sale. I'm going to show you, but I'm not sure where the blush went. Okay, so we have lost it. I'll find it later. So first thing we are going to talk about is this moisturizer. This is from Aqualogica. I have been using this moisturizer from Aqualogica's moisturizer, not this one. This is I'm using from 6 months, I guess. I've repurchased this one. So I really like the texture and everything about the moisturizer. I have combination skin, so if you have combination skin, you can try this. Otherwise, you can go for your skin type. Next, we have this sunscreen. I really love this. See, so easy to blend. I'm wearing this one right now. Easy to blend, easy to carry, easy to everything. Not everything. So this is the lotion I bought from Nykaa. This is the Kojic acid lotion. I'm using this for the first time, and the body wash, Salicylic acid body wash. So I purchased this for the first time. I'm not sure about the results, guys. If you have purchased this and you know how they perform, you can let me know in the comment. So I got this for free with these two products. I've already told you, I think. Never used it. Next, I have this face wash. This is the best face wash I've ever used. I've also used the simple refreshing face wash. These two are almost same. They give you the refreshing kind of feel, not like wow, normal. Next I've got this for free, and this is Sali-Cinamide Anti-Acne Serum, kind of a mini. I don't really having any acne, so I'll give this to someone with acne. If they think this is good for them, they can purchase it. Okay, so this is not coming out. Come on, bro. Chal jaldi, panveer nikalna hai. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, so it's like, you seeing this? It's like a sticky texture. You can try this if you have acne. I'm not sure about the product and everything, but yeah, if you feel like dermaco is your choice, you can go with this product. Anti-Acne Salicylic Serum with 2% salicylic acid, 5% niacinamide. Next I got this lip pH gloss. I don't really like the color it gives. Like, it's very pink. It has this minty scent, which I'm not really sure if you guys gonna like it. See, I've applied this like 3 hours ago and it's still there. See, it's also waterproof, transfer proof, everything proof. See, this is looking nice here, but when applying this on my lips, it's giving chapri vibes. So I don't know, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this. It's a gift from Nykaa. See, the shade is nice, but not for me. So next I have my most favorite, the Hyaluronic acid MCaffeine sheet mask. I love the sheet mask, so I got 4 of them. So it was on a sale, so I got a very good price for these. So you can also try them. These are very moisturizing and very nice. I don't really have many words to describe the sheet mask. Now my most expensive products for the time being is these 3. These cost me half of my salary, guys. So for the Snail Mucin, actually I have tried this before. This never gave me breakout. I don't know how people are talking about that this gave them breakout. I have like combination skin, so some people get breakouts after they use the serum. If you have oily skin, I'm not sure if this is going to be the best product. You could try, but yeah, this is a very nice serum to for daily use. See, पहले इसको घिना था लगाने में, लेकिन अच्छा है. No smell at all. Best thing about the serum is that these products does not really have any smell, so you can use them on a daily basis if you have like fragrance allergy or anything. Next I'm going to talk about this AHA BHA clarifying treatment. So this is actually a toner, but you don't really apply this like a spray. Just take it on a cotton pad and apply it. So if you have like marks or anything, this is going to be the best choice for you. See, you just take it on a cotton pad and clean your face with it after you wash your face. So this is like, don't use it regularly. This is an exfoliating serum, so not good for daily use, but you can use it like 2 or 3 times a week. If you have like so much uneven skin, you can try this at night. I usually use this in night. Lastly, this is the 6 peptide skin booster. I've never used this serum, never tried peptides on my serum like face. So this one is like for me, it's first time. This has hyaluronic acid, energy and amino acids. You know, I'm not sure how this is going to work, but I have done the patch test on my hand, so this is not reacting on me. I've used both hands to test actually. So I'll go show you like this. How to show you? I'm going to show this on here only. This have a like watery texture. This is slippery. You wash your face, you apply this, then you use your serum, moisturizer and everything. So it has a smell like nothing. No smell at all. So you can also try this if you wish to use a peptide serum. This is actually a very nice brand for like Korean affordable brands, I could say. Not like cheap brands, but yeah, okay price there. So you guys also try this and do let me know if you like any of the product or do you use any of the product I have showed you in this video. Alright, and lastly I got this for free. This is a pimple patch. I don't usually use the like pimple patches on my face. This one, it has 20 patches. I am not really having any pimple. I have here, but it's not like actually a pimple, is it? Not sure. So I'll keep it. If in case I have any pimple, I'll use this. It has 24. Let's count it. 24. So this also comes with a manual, guys. If you don't know how to use a pimple patch, go for the manual. Not for me. Okay, this is the final product for this video. If you want any link for these products that I have showed you in the video, you can ask me in my DM. I will give you links.